Hello, how's everyone? Here is Peter DIY with you, and I'm ready to start my project. Ready for the first. Here I have a lot of parts. It's not all of them, it's special oils and all of this good stuff. I will try to start the car. I didn't start it for a couple of days, which is not a big issue. I disconnect the air filter. Eventually I'm gonna change it. For now I'm gonna stay like that. What I wanna do right now, I wanna move the car back and I wanna put these guys, and I want to do a oil flush. With this I'm gonna start. This is the biggest step what I want to do it, and with that simply say let's start the car. Let's see how it's gonna start after a couple of days. In case you forget, this is a manual one, and you may need to press the clutch. I'm gonna take out from the gear. Out. We still have an airbag on, which we're gonna fix this on later. I'm gonna leave the car for 2 minutes, let's say. The oil is really bad. I don't wanna take any more time to drive like that. First I'm gonna do it. I will see how bad it is. I guess I'm gonna do one. In this moment I'm gonna do one flush. I'm gonna add the solution. I'm gonna drive for 10 minutes. I will see read the instruction one more time, and after I'll do again one more flush. Okay, let's go a little back. Under the car right here, it's the where I'm gonna take the oil out. It seems to be in a wrench, and here it's our nut. It's 17 millimeters. I just lose and now I use by hand. Let's see how this oil looks. I guess 3 years was not changed. I don't want to be so pessimist. I know I can do this. Okay. Wow, looks like it's really low on oil. It's so black. Let's take a look. You can see my hand. Now my boys, we're gonna take the filter oil. I'm pretty, like here you can see how really is looking the engine. Come on, I need to buy a regular one. This one, you can do a job, but it's not the best. It was a little, now I can do by hand. I don't know why this wire stays here. I guess they change it and I put it in the wrong way, because this one needs to be under there or under here. No way to be close to the oil every time you touch this one. But for now, let's do our job. Let's see what is going on with this filter, how bad it is. Okay, let's take apart. If you find any metal parts, you can tell something. But actually it's not, looks just black. I don't see any metal things. Okay. Now let's see here if you find something. Oh, actually, not really bad. Good. Let's do a flush and finish with this. Look like the oil almost done. I can prepare. This is the new filter with all the parts that we need to replace it. This is the oil what I'm gonna use, the best quality oil. And in this side, guys, I have that's what I need to do. Here is the engine flush, one at a time. I have two of them. I guess I'm gonna do two flush. This is for radiator clean, coolant. I'm gonna clean that one too. This is for injector. You add directly in your gas system. I have this one just in case I need to clean the fogging. It's for I can add directly in, I guess, in cylinders directly. I need to read more. Here is for power steering pump, brakes. I have one more, and just in case I need some lubricant to clean stuff around. And with that being said, this one I'm gonna extract the oil. I have here the. Actually, I'm gonna change the power steering reservoir also to make sure there is a filter inside, and to make sure do a good job. I'm gonna replace that also. That being said, I'm gonna start to put the new filter back. I'm gonna replace these two, one, two, and here's one more in back. That's the back here also need to be changed. Let's start. Right, guys, I already changed everything. This is the new filter. It's a little difference. I replaced this one, this gasket. Make sure you add some oil, original oil. I replaced these two also, one, two. We put the filter back, and also after I need to put under the car this one. Make sure you change this washer too. To put it back, it's pretty same way. Now I guess I need to use this one. I'm gonna do more fast, and after I'll show you what I'm doing. We put it back. We put the filter back. Everything is stopped, and we can start to add the refill of oil. Okay. We have this one and two more. Slow, not make a mess.